Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the HZ English Pod, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Sophie.
Hello, Sophie. Hi to all our wonderful listeners joining us today. It's great to be here with you again.
It really is, Liam. I'm so happy to see you. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling excellent, thank you. I'm very excited because I have big plans for this weekend.
Big plans? That sounds interesting. Tell me more.
Well, I'm going to visit my cousin in the countryside. We're going to go hiking.
That sounds wonderful. Oh, did you notice what you just did?
What? Did I make a mistake?
No, not at all. You used the future tense perfectly. You said, I'm going to visit my cousin.
Oh, I see. I didn't even think about it. It just came naturally.
That's the beauty of practicing. And speaking of the future, that's exactly what we're talking about today.
The future, like predictions and plans?
Exactly. We're going to learn how to talk about what happens next. Your weekend, your dinner tonight, your dreams for next year.
This is going to be useful. I talk about the future every single day.
Everyone does. That's why it's so important to learn. But before we dive in, we have something important to ask.
Yes. Everyone listening, if you're enjoying this conversation, please click the subscribe button.
And don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps us reach more English learners like you.
Share this episode with your friends too. Learning English together is more fun.
Absolutely. Okay, Liam, are you ready to talk about the future?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Perfect. So, in English, we have two main ways to talk about the future. The most common ones.
Let me guess. Will and going to.
Exactly right. Those are the two big ones. But many students get confused about when to use each one.
I get confused sometimes too. They seem very similar.
They do seem similar, but there's actually a clear difference. Let's start with going to.
Okay, I'm listening.
We use going to when we talk about plans. Things we decided before this moment.
Plans? You mean things I already thought about?
Yes, exactly. For example, Liam, what are you doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Let me think. I'm going to the dentist in the morning.
Perfect example. You said, I'm going to the dentist. Did you decide this just now?
No, I made the appointment last week.
Exactly. It's a plan. You decided before. That's when we use going to.
Ah, I understand. So going to is for things I already decided.
Yes. Let me give you more examples. I'm going to cook pasta tonight. I'm going to study Spanish next month. I'm going to buy a new phone.
Those are all plans.
Right. They're decisions you made before this conversation.
Okay, that makes sense. What about will? When do we use that?
Good question. Will is different. We use will for decisions we make right now, in this moment.
Right now? Like spontaneous decisions?
Exactly. Imagine your phone is ringing right now.
Ring, ring.
What do you say?
I'll answer it.
Perfect. I'll answer it. You didn't plan to answer the phone yesterday. You decided right now.
Ah, that's the difference. Going to is a past decision and will is a present decision.
Yes, that's a great way to remember it. Here's another example. It's raining outside.
Oh no.
You say, I'll take an umbrella.
I decided just now because I saw the rain.
Exactly. You didn't wake up this morning and plan to take an umbrella. You decided in the moment.
This is starting to make sense. Can you give me more examples?
Of course. Someone drops their books. You say, I'll help you.
That's a quick decision.
Right. Or your friend looks sad. You say, I'll call you later.
Those are offers to help.
Yes. Will is also used for offers and promises.
Promises? Like, I will always remember you?
Exactly. I will love you forever. I will never forget this. I will be there for you.
Those are beautiful promises.
They are. Will shows commitment. It's very strong.
Okay. So, going to for plans, will for spontaneous decisions and promises.
You've got it. But there's something else you should know.
What's that?
In real conversations, native speakers often say gonna instead of going to.
Gonna? Yes, I hear that all the time in movies.
It's very informal. I'm going to go home becomes I'm gonna go home.
Is it okay to say that?
In casual conversation with friends, yes, but never write it in formal emails or at work.
So I can say, I'm gonna watch a movie tonight with my friends?
Absolutely. It sounds natural and relaxed.
But in a job interview, I should say, I'm going to work hard.
Exactly. Always use the full form in formal situations.
Got it. Sophie, can we practice? I want to tell you about my weekend plans.
Perfect idea. Tell me everything.
Okay. This Saturday, I'm gonna wake up early.
Good start.
Then I'm gonna make breakfast, eggs and toast.
Sounds delicious.
After breakfast, my cousin is gonna pick me up. We're gonna drive to the mountains.
That sounds like a wonderful day.
In the afternoon, we're gonna have a picnic. My cousin is gonna bring sandwiches.
Perfect use of going to. You're using it correctly every time.
Thank you. I'm feeling more confident now.
You should be proud. This is not easy grammar.
It's easier when you explain it clearly.
That's what we're here for. Liam, let's talk about contractions.
Contractions? Like I'm instead of I am?
Exactly. In spoken English, we almost always use contractions.
It sounds more natural, right?
Yes. I will becomes I'll. I am going to becomes I'm going to.
She will becomes she'll?
Correct. He will is he'll. We will is we'll. They will is they'll.
What about negative forms?
Good question. Will not becomes won't.
Won't? That's a strange contraction.
It is unusual, but very common. I won't go. She won't like it.
What about going to negative?
I'm not going to go. He's not going to come.
Those are longer.
They are. But in casual speech, remember gonna. I'm not gonna go.
That's much faster to say.
It is. Native speakers use it all the time with friends.
Sophie, talking about the future makes me think about my dreams.
Dreams? Tell me about them.
Well, in 5 years, I'm going to have my own business.
That's wonderful. What kind of business?
I'm going to open a coffee shop. I love coffee, and I love talking to people.
That's a perfect combination. Have you started planning?
Yes, I'm thinking about it a lot. I'm going to save money every month.
That's a smart plan. And you're using going to perfectly because these are your life plans.
Thank you. What about you? What are your big dreams?
In 3 years, I'm going to learn to play the piano.
The piano? That's beautiful.
I've always wanted to. I'm going to take lessons starting next month.
Next month? That's soon.
I know. I'm very excited. I'm going to practice every day.
That's dedication. I think you'll be great at it.
Did you use will for a prediction?
I did. Without evidence, just my opinion.
You're absolutely right. I think you'll be great is a prediction.
I'm learning so much today.
Me too. Talking about dreams and plans is one of my favorite topics.
Mine too. It makes me feel hopeful about the future.
That's the power of the future tense. It helps us imagine good things ahead.
Sophie, I think our time is almost finished.
You're right. Time passes so quickly when we're having fun.
It really does. But this was an excellent conversation.
I agree. I hope our listeners learned a lot today.
Before we finish, let's give them some homework.
Good idea. Everyone listening, we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what are you going to do this weekend?
Use the future tense. Write, I'm going to, and complete the sentence.
For example, I'm going to visit my family, or I'm going to study English.
We love reading your comments. It helps us know what you're learning.
And please, don't forget to subscribe to the HZ English Pod.
Click that subscribe button so you don't miss our next conversation.
Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this episode.
And share it with anyone who's learning English. Your friends, your family, your classmates.
Learning together is always better.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
Yes, thank you. We appreciate you all. Have a wonderful future.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time. And remember, practice your future tense every day.
Your future is bright. Keep learning.